Good morning, all of you. My name is Abhay. Today, I will talk about the most powerful technology ever created, artificial intelligence. So can anybody tell what is artificial intelligence? Which can do our work easily? Yes, but how artificial intelligence work? Can anybody tell how artificial intelligence work and make our task easy? Actually, it works on data. Yes, exactly. It's work on data. It takes the data and comprise that and give the best output to us. AI works on three models. First, machine learning. AI, AI, AI learn system about just from data. It's not needing humans to code. Next one is deep learning. Neural networks connection humans brain structure. It creates the like a human brain structure and gives us a better output. And the natural language. We generally talk the AI about ourselves, our feelings. AI can connect the human language well. Second, how the real world problems are solved by AI. First, healthcare, where a single doctor has to read and analyze the reports, many reports in a time. AI can AI can reduce the time of that analyzing and giving the report faster. Self-driving cars, as we know, Tesla, like a Tesla, man, that have many cameras and sensors, they detect the road and cars and move there by own. No drivers was needed. The virtual assistant, we so many assistants like we already use like ChatGPT, Siri, Alexa, Claude Gemini. Next was education. We so nowadays every institution have their own apps, website, the AI integrated 24/7 service. Second is creativity. We know we created many videos, photos from AI like Gemini or Meta. Second, the AI is useful but dangerous for in cybersecurity, but it also helps in detection of frauds easily than a human. Uh, by AI by numbers. AI is now a global economy of 15.7 trillion. It is a mixture of by 2030. It is a mixture of India's and China's GDP together. Uh, AI has created 97 million jobs like AI engineers, machine learning engineers, deep learning engineers, and entrepreneur using by AI 25. Every startup company are integrated by AI. They are making their own AI inbuilt in their apps. AI can have the tasks. Second was it creates the productivity. Think an engineer who was doing without AI work, without AI the work, and who was doing with AI. It increased the speed of the productivity. It uh, increased the productivity. It gives the better output than a human. How AI is intelligent. AI is already reshaping our future. Now AI is more important because the AI is taking the place in every field. In every field of in education, healthcare, and engineering. Every work can be done by AI. Learning AI skills is essential for future. AI skills. We should know how to prompt a AI, how to get the better output from AI. We should learn this. It is very important. Ethical AI is everyone's responsibility. As I already said, that AI is that much good, that much it's dangerous because AI can perform very unethical task. As we know, US government has banned the new anthropic AI named Mythos because it can perform the perform the unethical setting. He can debug the that humans cannot debug the apps or softwares. Thank you.